monja pye kumbali kule tuve monja mweyongereyo mwe bale tubona kumwida kuidanga
Jango kole mlimo wano. Wow. Otole yo na.
Tali konfusivi.
Kayo bulungi nga sina nkofira bakama fuatero tulabayo. Abagamba
Cool.
We were coming from school, going to the field tour, but unfortunately, the incident happened. The driver was not even overspeeding, but I don't know what happened, and we just met the car, simply the vehicle in front, and they met and simply collided on the accident happened.
You were how many in your bus?
In the bus, we were 68, and some people got fractures. Actually, 15 of them are not. Those ones survived somehow, but others are injured totally. Others are fractured, other injuries, things like that. Ni task yaife olwokubanga tubaawo okubanga tusevinga oba tununula bannaife batuukibwako obuzibu awala n'okubanga tubayamba kasita tuba tufuna information mu kiseera kyene kiba kituuse olwokuba nti information eno tugitegeire era twena twidi okubaawo nga twemerera nabo mu mbeera yona yona okubanga tuba mu kye tusobola okola olwokubanga tusevinga obulamu obwaba bamemba aba batuukibwa obuzibu.
Going to Cousin for field tour geography. Going for field tour geography, an accident occurred on the way where our brothers, which sat on the bus, most of them got accidents, but some did not get, and some got minor accidents, but some get major accidents. Senior 3, Senior 4, Senior 5, who are offering geography, Senior 6, who are offering geography, and we are almost 300 because we use 3 buses.
Ngaze chairman wanakavule ndikubiza ba driver okuba nti bakendeza ku speed kuba oluguudo lukozesebwa ebiduka bingi aba pikipiki dino basi taxi ate buli omwavuga nga tali kwebalirira aye tubalirire obulamu era bangi abakoseibwa ndikubona abali kubongerayo mu madwaliro agenda wulo kale wenkubiriza buli omu wali akume obulamu bwe era abutwale ng'ekikulu kale buli alina mwana we ageze kukubona aida mwidwalire nakavule wana Iganga abone engeri wakoseibwa aye kibino
driver abera alivuga abana alaga kabere mukowu aye mu byona yatasisa abana beife bo kwingire mu lukulula nene beire yemereire kirazo obuzira bwenti afuire katasisa abana beife driver abera alivuga base abana baisomero ba driver mbakubirizera mbaka kasanti boba kokoye fune kisero mulenga muku relaxing ba kusiza kusini kiraganti driver abera yetendukire nga talibo na mberi jaja na kikiriyo
basi kwirire bali abantu yebwira mulya yaganere ke pakirize ainga kusinza kumbere bairege kiboneka nti dere pamwe na bena asinzirirwa ko bizibu kusinza kumbera ku direction yayo bwetambwire kuba wolingire ekubaye kubiye mu gakiboneka ndonza dere babaire kali mu kulungira kusinza ndonza kusawo kidasi mbugire ku kale babaire kali ajja kwekanga nje kazukwekanga kutomera bisabo ikugenda ayi kusinza kumbere baire dere kwakwire ko n'abantu abana abantu bakakulenga bona berambi kali bona kabule nanga kusinza kumbeera eri nawangisa gano ebwire kusaawa 10 endala gali kwetagga gabeewo ku hampusi edibaawo okuboneka nti gabaawo okukendezaako ku bumenyi obwa bulimu aye nga envuga yeni yakimamya sipiidi eri kwirira mu mbi kubo hampusi diriwo aye entono ndigaza kyedigasa
accident eno egwire odiba esaawa 10 ng'eno epakinze basi ey'abaana abasomi Amolia yavono yagitomera butomere mwafiira mu akabenje ako koolibona abaana abasomi bona babeiremu so bana mwafiira mu driver yafiira kunikule niwale ife nife baneba wawano nife tuwira akabenje ako n'okulumuukira abaana babatasiisa abasirikale babataasa babatakupatulo bajja kale embegano akabenje kano kavire ku program ya motoka eno epakinze wano emotoka eno yona dabesa mnana mema yona yafuna akabenje
St. Paul Katapwi High School comprehensive and hired 3 buses, that is Amoria SS, Amoria High and Mora High. So we were traveling together, but we were the first people to leave the school. But when we reached Jinja, we called these guys who were saying that we were just entering Iganga. But on our surprise, we were given a call that one bus got in a motor accident. So they told us, then we stopped, we got a shock, and really it was not good for us because we panicked. The driver, all of us, the students started crying in the bus. Yeah, we have cancelled the trip and are taking back the students back. The condition which is here is not good.
Zinasaba government yetuwe kuwa mkampu kusinzira kuchirigano zene mubuzi wa boda boda ayo oluguudo luno bana lukyera bukyerere Mbale road lufuse lutemu kale tusaba kampu enenedeni ekibali kino ekyana ikunga ngera tuenda kampu siwa amaina ninze magumba sali kwa Iganga
tali ko activity
kayo bulungi nga sina nkofira bakama batero tulabayo
Kolinde
The situation looks so bad. The driver died on spot, and I have seen a number of children, much as I'm not confirmed the details of how many are injured, but I have seen quite a number of fractures, and others seem to have also injuries on the neck and the spine. I really want to call upon the community, the people of Katakwi, to be calm. The situation, of course, as they are reported earlier, like 15 children are dead. It is not true. No child died. It's only the driver who died on spot. Although we see 2 or 3 cases that are really critical.
Ni taski yaife olwokubanga bao kubanga savinga oba tunula banaifa batukibwako obuzibu awala n'okubanga tubayamba kasita batufuna information mu kiseera kyene kiba kituuse olwokuba nti information eno tugitegeire era twena twidi okubaawo nga twemerera nabo mu mbeera yona yona okubanga tuba kye tusobola okola olwokubanga tusevinga obulamu obwaba bamemba aba batukibwa
oyenda kutaka kubantu bano tubairemu abaana 73 emmotoka ekika kya basi eri kutwala abaana ba St. Paul Secondary School nga ino eri Katakwi tugeyo nga baire balijja Kasenyi planning site babeyo ni geography tour abairewo motoka eyindi ebairenge parking nga bali kukyusa emipiira na olutomaira akitomaire inuma era kiviire ku driver kubanga afiira wenaawo driver ni Kasacha Muhammad myaka 68 baana 13 babanga bakoseibwa omusomesa mulala yena akoseibwa ni conductor nikwenda kunoneza kutegeera abavuzi baba bakoye saawe edencho so byetugezaawo kunoneza kye kimuviire ko kubanga tasobola kwewala okutomera motoka eno
Monja pia kumba ali kule tupe monja mweyongereyo mwe bale tubona kumwida kuidanga
from that.